back in Johannesburg. It was an awesome weekend in my aunt's house. Yeah, now I have 4 hours until my bus to Botswana is leaving. Alright, back is the border. I'm in Botswana after two and a half hours. We had to wait so much at the Botswana side. It's almost midnight. I have a room. It's really expensive. Good night. Good morning. So, night is over. It's almost 5:30. Hopefully find a good bus to Mount and be in Mount. It's a long way. I think it's 900 kilometers. So that was crazy. We went to the bus stop. They said the bus left already, so we had to drive outside of the city. So now I'm in the bus. I don't know how long it does take, but it's cheap. It's pretty cheap, so it's good. Good morning, guys. So today is a special day. I'm going to the safari, to the Okavango Delta. So they picked me up in around, I don't know, 30-45 minutes. And then 8 hours safari. Let's go! You have to go to the toilet before we start. So it's in German we say Plumpsklo. Look guys, be really quiet to show them respect. The first of the big five. There, antelope, and there. So there's another elephant back there. He is looking right to us. Amazing. So this elephant is really aggressive. You can see it because it's staring at us and shaking his head the whole time. Now 2 local guys came and they put the elephant away. So now the elephant is a little bit far away. Oh no, it's right back there. I don't know if you can see it, but now we can pass. And there are more elephants. So after the walk we have no lunch. So we had an amazing walk.
Found some zebras, gnus, cows, elephant bones.
They make this fire that they can hold the elephants away, that the elephant doesn't come. So back in town, just grabbing a little bit food. Yeah, it was an amazing tour. We saw a few animals. That was really nice. If you need a right stay in Mon, you should visit the Motsebe Backpackers. It's pretty new, but it's amazing. It's one of the cheapest ones. People are amazing. So yeah.